Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Ty, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to marinate chicken breasts for your meal preps. Okay, I'm giving you a sweet, simple, and delicious recipe that we all can do. Alright, so we're going to be using 3 different types of sazon. If you are familiar with sazon, then you already know it's about to come out immaculate. Alright, so I'm beginning with my first flavor. I will list the type of flavor in the description box because I do not know these names. Well, this one I know is the ham flavor, okay? And that's because I use this one very frequently. It brings a different flavor pop to the recipe. So I definitely recommend this flavor. And then here is the last flavor for the chicken. Then we're going to use a little bit of black pepper. I'll add some adobo. I'm sure if you know sazon, you know adobo. Make those flavors pop. It's all about the flavors that you put together. There's many different ways to marinate chicken breast. Then we're going to use onion powder. Now in the beginning, in the ingredients, I listed fresh garlic. Here I have garlic paste that I make at home. Okay, I prefer cooking with garlic paste. You can use minced garlic or fresh garlic cloves, whatever you prefer. Just make sure that you mix it in very well. Coat all of your chicken so that it's even. As you can see, I'm mixing it very well. I'm getting all up in there, okay? My hands are very clean, by the way. Ladies and gentlemen, do not be afraid to get your hands dirty for your food. That's making love to your food. That's putting your foot in it, your hands in it, whatever you want to say. Okay, so the last thing to do is store your meat. You can use a Ziploc bag like this, or you can use a storage container like this one. I bought this from the dollar store for $6. It comes in very handy when I'm storing large amounts of meat. But for this one here particularly, I will be using a Ziploc bag only because I know I'll be making some of the meat tomorrow, as well as I need as much freezer space as I can get because I have so much in the freezer, and the Ziploc bag works to conform in small spaces. And that's all, guys. It's very simple, very easy. All of you all can do it. I know you can. If you guys liked and enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to Ty's Kitchen.